CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Net use. The net use command is a command line utility used to connect, remove, and configure shared resources like network drives and printers. The net use command allows users to map network drives and connect to shared resources easily. Think of it as a way to create a shortcut on your computer that directly links to a folder or printer on another computer within your network. This can be particularly useful in office environments where multiple users need to access shared files or printers. By using NetUse, you can set up these connections quickly and efficiently. For example, suppose you want to connect to a shared folder named Project, located on a device named Server 1. You can map this shared folder to a drive letter on your local device, let's say the drive letter Z, by typing netuse z:\server1\project. Once the command is executed, drive Z will appear in your device, and you can access the contents of the shared folder, named Project, as if it were a local drive on your computer. The netuse command is useful in several ways. It simplifies access to shared resources, making it easy for users to find and use files and printers located on other computers within the network. Additionally, it helps in maintaining a consistent work environment by allowing network drives and printers to be reconnected automatically every time a user logs in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.